Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my March Stitch Fix, okay? So I'm just going to keep this series going on my channel because it does really well. So, and people seem to really like Stitch Fix. So all information, of course, will be below for Stitch Fix. And this box is going to be a little bit different because I actually received an email from Stitch Fix while they were setting up my fix, saying that now they're having add-on. You can add on additional items at no real extra charge because it's still part of your styling. You already paid your $20 styling fee. It's just some additional items that you could be eligible for and you can keep, and the $20 styling fee will go towards them if you decide to do so, okay? So my box is pretty small this time. Here's my little baggie, you know, send my stuff back, my little baggie. Look at my nail, you guys. Isaiah is going into my fix first because that's just what Isaiahs do. Here are all my goodies. Let's see what we got. I think in my comment section of the fix, before it gets sent out, I said I want something that's spring related. Give me something that is spring related because my last fix, if you haven't seen it, I'll put it up in the card up there so you can go ahead and check it out if you would like. My last fix was winter and fall oriented. I'm done with that. I'm so done with the snow. I'm done with the random snowstorms. I'm done. Anybody in Philly remember that random snowstorm we recently had that nobody knew what's happening? Yeah, I'm done. Send me something spring. Okay, I'm ready. So here we go. We got a couple of things. Ooh. The first thing is this purple right here. Okay, it's a nice tank top. This is something that's very pretty that can probably go under like a blazer. You guys know I like blazers, or a cardigan. That's nice. Okay, and it's just a nice tank top. It doesn't have any kind of bra, anything in it. Okay, so it's dark purple. It's one of my colors. Okay, so here is that. These people, oh my god. Okay, this is definitely being kept because I've never had anything like this. Okay, so I don't know if you've seen my dark red and flowery kimono. That was one of the items that I actually received from Stitch Fix. This is giving me those vibes, but for spring. So this is definitely pretty, and that with that purple top that we just saw, that's definitely pretty. So here this is, okay, and it's going to be really nice for spring. It has the purple florals, it has all the flowers and stuff on it, and it's white, and I'm really excited for that because I like the other kimono. I could wear that fall in spring and all that stuff, so I'm really liking that one as well. Okay, so that's that. Here is another top. Okay, it's gray and it has like some pink sleeves. This is definitely cute for like a chill day. Depending on how much that costs, I actually may keep this. This is something really cute. Nice chill day, or you go into the store and it has like this ribbed bottom. It might be a little tight around the waist at the bottom, which is fine. I'm cool with that. So here is that. So here is a nice green dress. I've never thought to wear green before, but this would be nice with like some gold sandals, some gold jewelry, just really regal and royal and all that. And it has like a little keyhole for your little cleavage, if that's what you want to show. Okay, and then the back, it just ties up in the back, and it's like a little crisscross in the back. Okay, I'm definitely interested in trying this out. This is very pretty. I told them spring and they listened to me. This is why I'm liking Stitch Fix so far, because it seems like my stylist is listening to me. Okay, she is winning with all 4 of these items. Oh, this nail, she's winning with all 4 of these items so far. Like I told you guys before, they always put a random jean in here. Okay, so here's just these jeans. These are distressed jeans. I'm definitely not keeping these because most of the time when I buy things like jeans and things like that, most of the time when I buy things like jeans and things like that, I want to be able to wear them to work, and that's a no at work. So I'm definitely not going to be able to keep those, even though they're pretty cute. They're pretty cute. See, I don't go anywhere, so I don't need really cute jeans like that to go anywhere because I don't. So I'm probably not keeping those. So here are the extras. So the first thing, pretty much the extras were like loungewear or bras, things like that. So the first one I have is this little bralette, okay? It doesn't have no wire or anything like that, okay? And I just thought this was really, really cute. It's like a racer back as well. I thought this was really, really cute. So I decided to just pick this up. And I definitely think I might keep that because I don't have anything like that. So I thought that was really cute. And then I just got these bikini, as they call it, these underwear just to match it. So I thought they were really cute. I decided to just toss them in because, like I said, I don't have anything really like that. So yeah, let's see the damage, because this box was really, 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 really good. Really, the price looks really, really good too. Okay, the straight leg jeans were $59, not too bad. The knit dress was $44, that's not too bad. The Paper Moon detailed cami, that's the purple cami, that was $34. The Pink Clover sweater, which is the one with the gray and the pink sleeves, that was $40. The kimono was $34, okay. And then the racerback bra was $20, and the bikini, help me justify keeping that, okay, is $30, okay. Help me justify keeping that. We'll see. So order subtotal was $261. If you buy everything, it's $52.75. I actually had a promo credit, okay, which is $25 because someone used my link. Thank you so much, Miss Beauty and Brains. I'll link her channel below because she used my link. So now I can get a little treat, okay, from this box. Thank you very much again. That link is below if you guys would like to do the same thing. Anyway, so after everything and then the styling fee, the order total is $163.25. So we shall see. I gotta do some math and see what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. So yeah, I'm really excited for this fix. Like, I'm looking at the total because I'm trying to do some math, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just trying to do some math. And anyway, please stay tuned for the try on piece of this video. So what did you guys think of this fix? I am obsessed with this fix. Like, I don't want to send anything back. Like, I want to keep everything this time, and I think I am, okay? My stylist really hit the nail on the head with this fix. Everything is so beautiful, so nice. It's spring related, and it was exactly what I wanted. Even the jeans, I'm thinking about even keeping the jeans because they're just so cute. And yeah, I can't wear them to work, but so what? They're so cute. So yeah, I'm probably going to keep everything from this fix. So yeah, have you guys signed up for Stitch Fix yet? Please sign up below. I have a link below. You don't have to use my link if you don't want to, because it is a link that will give me credit towards future fixes. I'll put the plain old link below too if you don't want to use that other link that I have below. That's fair. And yeah, if you get Stitch Fix tell me about your fixes. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. I've loved this whole fix, was just everything for me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel for new and interesting content such as this. Sorry for all the noise. Isaiah is right over there, so I'm sorry for all that noise, but I'll try to edit this the best way I can where there's minimal noise. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.